Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about how to pump milk properly and make pumping sessions easier and more comfortable for beginners. Before starting, always wash your hands properly and make sure all pump parts are clean and assembled correctly. Clean equipment is very important for safe milk collection and storage. Next, choose a calm and comfortable place where you can relax for a few minutes. A peaceful environment often helps the body respond more naturally during pumping. Before using the pump, some mothers gently massage the area for a short time. This may help support smoother flow and make the session feel more comfortable. Now place the pump correctly and begin slowly. If you are using an electric pump, start with a gentle suction level. If you are using a manual pump, use slow and steady movements instead of pumping too quickly. In the beginning, the flow may take a few minutes to start, and that is completely normal. Staying calm and patient often helps the session feel smoother. During pumping, try to maintain a comfortable and steady rhythm. Avoid rushing or increasing suction too much if it feels uncomfortable. It is also important to stay relaxed during the session. Many mothers find that a calm mindset makes pumping easier and more manageable. After finishing, carefully transfer the collected milk into a clean storage container and store it properly if needed. Finally, clean all pump parts properly and allow them to dry completely before the next use. With practice, consistency, and a comfortable routine, pumping milk becomes much easier and more natural over time. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.